Today's question is very simple. We would like to ask you what turns you off on your first approach with a guy.
You can't just see me and come and say, "You, what's up?"
Yeah.
I should hug you and like no, like not want to leave you.
You know,
Okay.
you don't expect a girl to walk from where she is to meet you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Immortal once again, and Billnet TV has a very interesting question we'd like to ask. Today's question is very simple and short. What turns you as a girl off when you first meet a gentleman? Are you getting the point? What turns you off when you first meet a young gentleman? You understand? So we're going out to ask this question, and we're gonna amaze you with a lot of answers from the girls. Shout outs, please. If you have not subscribe, like, and comment. And this video is brought to you by Sweet Immortals, Sweet and Delicious Kebab. You understand? And ABI Hub. Hello, I have a very beautiful and nice girl by me. Say that, please. What's your name? Doris. Wow, Doris. Please, Bill, let's have a very interesting question we'd like to ask you today. Today's question is very simple. We would like to ask you what turns you off on your first approach with a guy.
First of all, how you speak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it the tonation or how you speak generally?
Not the tonation.
Okay.
Also, let me put it as in how you approach me.
Okay.
You can't just see me and come and say, "You, what's up?" Like, easy.
Yeah.
Have to be, "Oh, hello," like say it in a nice way.
Okay.
Get it? Yeah.
I understand that.
Yeah, and then your dressing. Secondly, your dressing.
Okay.
You have to wear proper dresses.
Hey, please, what's your definition of proper dress?
Not like proper dresses, but if you're wearing Nike, it should be Nike. Correct Nike.
So you are trying to tell me that when you're wearing Nike, it should be not
like zigzag. It should be
so it shouldn't be
correct
Nike.
Yeah, you should
Okay.
wear like proper dresses. You should have a nice haircut.
Okay.
And then the last one is very, very important. Your body odor.
I walk around
Even if you see some guys can meet you, "Oh, can I get a hug?"
Yeah.
I should hug you and like no, like not want to leave you. You get it? I don't
you
have
should
to
hug and not want to leave.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have to hug you and like me pentem hug.
Okay.
A nice body odor is very,
Wow,
very
wow,
important.
wow.
You should bath 2 times daily.
Wow. Hey, I still know
And then-
about baby.
As time goes on, the rest there, that one there.
So meaning you said the approach, the way you speak,
first approach,
and,
like
and the way you dress.
the way
you wear
dress,
Nike,
yes. And your
Jordan,
body.
Jordan.
You see some people they have body odor. If they stand here, you can hear it. It's so good.
Oh, Doris, I really your interview is very really interesting. Please, can I get any of your social media?
Okay. Instagram is a.bena_a.
Wow.
And Snap is DORISE. I forgot the rest.
No problem. We'll actually make sure we put all for our viewers and listeners across board. Also, see that, can I get a hug from you? Let's see if whether you would like to leave me early or. Are you leaving me? Are you leaving? Wow, a very beautiful girl by my side. Please, your name?
Francis Cation.
Franciscation. Hey, Eshen, Viz's daughter. Wow, you're very pretty. You have a very nice teeth.
Thank you.
I really like you. Franciscation, please. Billnet TV have a very interesting question we'd like to ask you today.
Okay.
The question is very simple. What turns you off on your first approach from a guy? What turns you off? Arrogance.
Yeah.
As in how?
From the way the person behaves.
How? Like say me jina maybe na me who, oh Francisca won't fe. Then I'll be like, "Oh Francisca, please, can I see you?"
His style of approaching is so poor. You can't just call a girl, "Please, can I see you?" No.
Okay.
You don't expect a girl to walk from where she is to meet you. You get it? Yes.
So how should it happen?
You should also make a move.
This one there, I'm learning a lot too. I have a problem when it comes to that. So Charlie, audience, are you getting me? I mean, see, I never see I get the point. So, Franciscation, you see, if you meet a guy and the guy be like, oh, please, can you come? And also, is there something like, please, ask me, sir, come,
Me, I won't come.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Just because the person is not making a step. Okay, so
I won't come.
As a what else?
It's a sign of disrespect, so I won't come.
Okay, I get the point. I get the point. So what else? What else turns you off? What else? Only that.
Someone who is proud.
Proud.
Yes.
How would you know this person is proud?
Oh, so many ways. Like the way the way the person will be talking, like, hey, I Charlie, and this and that. I have
first
this.
approach.
Of course.
Have you met someone like that before in your
Yes.
life? Hey, first approach, and I have this, I have that.
Of course.
Hey, Charlie, I'm
The person will be showing off, like, hey, I have this, I have that. Those things doesn't move me.
SRC complex. I'm the SRC complex, but
It makes no sense.
okay, Francisca, I've gotten it. Please, do you have any social media like to share?
Instagram.
Instagram. Okay.
Yes, as Franciscation.
Franciscation.
Yeah.
Nice one there. Nice meeting you, Francisca. Can I get a hug from you?
Okay.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I have a very beautiful girl just by my side. Sweetheart, please, what's your name?
I'm Nora.
Nora Hofe. Nora, biggie. Prefer a city boy. As a cow says, son, get 1,000, I can say 1,000 so as you say that, Nora. Please, today the question is very simple from Billionaire TV. We asking a simple question. What turns you off on your first approach? You understand? I get this now. What turns you off on your first approach? Say that. Matwama.
Okay, it's based on how the person talks to me.
Okay.
If you approach me rudely, that will automatically turn me off.
Okay.
Yes.
No, I want to approach rudely. Like, Mementa says, can you please explain to me? Then the man look rude. I'll be like, oh, I'm a friend, but you're saying, where? But you're my bar. You see, me, I don't understand. So tell me.
Okay, won't say in mad year, you see much wrong.
Yeah.
And I'll be to say me try me and say, me try me you will be like, it would all throw home say to put me off.
Okay.
Hey, I won't even have the zeal to talk to you again.
Okay.
Yes, that's.
You said something, say, Nipano, like, who can rude and how can use arrogance, who can rude. So, what then the bit my money, the one will make you know that the person is rude. How can you determine that the person is rude? I want you to explain that to me.
Okay. Okay, perhaps maybe when the person approached me, okay, maybe the person will be like, oh, I want to say again, the person, some people will feel like touching you. Hey, me too, I don't like that.
So the person say, me mother. Hey, Nora, hey, no, I don't know your name. So I'll be like, oh, like you don't like that.
I don't like that.
Okay.
Yes, and that's what puts me off.
Matthew, guys are hearing. Oh, you don't know the girl. Oh, Shiana, no, please. You have to give distance. Respect yourself. Okay. And what else?
And I think that's it. That's all.
So at least there should be a little gap on the first day.
Yes.
Then say that what's your name? Please, well, you understand? It should be interactive. As in, come on, so you guys share nipana. Then me about is it that
Yes,
kind
and
of
perhaps when you ask me something, I'm not able to tell you. You have to take it easy. Some
Respect
people,
the boundaries.
yes, but some people won't take it like that. Yeah. Yes, some people would.
How
take
old
it
are
like
you? Be like, oh, please respect your boundaries. No, I need to know. Just first time seeing the person.
Yes, example like when we had a blind date.
Okay.
I had my date. That was the first time I saw him, and he was asking lots of questions, and I was like, no. Then he got bored and he got up. See that thing. So yeah, and that's even put me off at the first place, and I got out from the place.
So you're actually talking out of experience.
Yes.
Wow. Beautiful, Nora. Please, do you have any social media handle we would like to put out for my viewers and listeners?
Yes, Facebook it's Nora IE.
Okay.
Instagram, the same Nora Ai, and TikTok to Nora Ai, like Nora Ai, Snapchat Nora Ai.
So can my viewers feel free and DM you or text you or like your
yes.
pictures?
Yes, they can.
Nice
I'm
one.
always available for them.
Alright, thank you very much. You don't like touching bar. Can I get
Yes.
that? We out.
Hello viewers, this is Billnet TV. Kindly subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.